Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Boya Lavalier microphone. Like this, you can see in this video. My slip product like this. You can see pouch, airbags, and warranty cards. Features you can see: clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, cam recorders, audio recorders, PC etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise. And specification you can see: transducer and a polar pattern, omnidirectional, frequency range 65 Hz to 18 kHz, single or noise 74 dB STL, sensitivity you can see, output impedance 1000 ohms RLS, connectors 3.5 mm 1/8 and 4 poles, gold plug, accessories included, lapel clip, LR44 battery, phone windscreen 1/4 adapter, battery type LR44, dimension microphone 18 mm H into 8.3 mm W into 3.3 mm D. Cables you can see 6 meter. Weight microphone 2.5 gram. Power models 18 gram. You can see Boya M1 Boya Lavalier microphone. You can see warranty card. And instruction kit. You can see instruction kit. That how we will set up to the microphone according to device, different devices. Boya sticker. Like this. Boya qualified certificate. Upon inspection and test, this product is qualified. This cable is 6 meter long and very expensive in shooting away from the cameras. For example, smartphone, DSLR, laptop, PC, desktop. You can use very easily connected with the smartphone. Very expensive. It is cylindrical shape and 360 pickup pattern. You can see. This is mic and this is mic cover. You can see. Mic cover. And this is shell. This is connected in the cylindrical shape. This is clip which are used to insert etc. It is design of quality, very expensive and high quality condenser. It is a very good output for audio and video recording. Like this is a 3.5 mm jack connector for smartphone etc. according to requirement. Otherwise, you can see connector. You can see. फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखना ना भूलना। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। दोस्तों, यदि आपको प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा हो तो आप इसे बाय कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दिया जाएगा, जहां पर आप क्लिक करके आप इस प्रोडक्ट को परचेज कर सकते हैं आसानी से। थैंक यू।